I'm Ashish Singh Azad and I welcome to my video. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most important chapter of mathematics, polynomial. It is not only important for the academic career and it is also for those students who are preparing for competition. That means railway, SSC and many others competition. I think and I hope this video improve your knowledge and the questions related to this chapter you may solve after watching this video. First of all, have an attention the word polynomial. This word polynomial is made up of two Latin words, poly and nomials. Poly stands for many and nomial stands for terms. Poly stands for many and nomial stands for terms. Now we can easily consider that polynomial stands for a group of terms. You must have been taught in your previous classes, 6th, 7th, 8th classes, you must have been taught and studied algebraic expression. Polynomial is one of the algebraic expressions, but it has a special criteria. That means the algebraic expression having a special criteria is called polynomial, and today we will discuss about the special criteria. What is the special criteria that makes an algebraic expression a polynomial? Now let's define it and have your attention, please. As I've told you, polynomial is an algebraic expression. That's why I'm defining in this way. The algebraic expression having positive integer as the exponent of variable terms is called polynomial. Have your attention here. This polynomial actually is a algebraic expression, and it is which type of algebraic expression? That type of algebraic expression that consists exponent of positive integer as means of variable terms. You must have been studied in the algebraic expression. There is variable and constant terms. That means there are two types of terms, variables and constants. For example, if we talk about 5x plus 2, here in 5x plus 2 we can see that in 5x the exponent of x is 1. The exponent of x is 1, and if the exponent of 2 or degree of 2 is asked, you may say 0, because 2 can be written as 2 into 1 and 2 into x to the power 0 and 2 this 2x to the power 0. It can be written as, but here it is not necessary to put this. Look here, in both conditions the exponent is positive integer. I mean to say that this positive integer means including 0, and you must have been studied as positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but here positive integer means 0, including 0. And if we say 2x square plus 2x plus 3 in this polynomial, in this algebraic expression, x the exponent of here x square is 2, exponent of this 1, and here 0. All are positive integer. That's why this type of algebraic expression can be said as polynomial. But if we talk about 2 root x, or if we talk about 2 by x, or if we talk about 2x root, or we talk about 2x 1 by 2. In these all cases, none of these can be said as polynomial, because of in any case we can't get the exponent as positive integer. Here if we talk about this, the exponent will come 1 by 2. If we talk about this, exponent will come minus 1, because 2 by x can be written as 2x to the power minus 1, and hence exponent will be negative integer. Here also exponent becomes 1 by 2, which is fraction, and here it is clearly fraction, means neither this nor this nor this is a positive integer. In this type of polynomial can't be said, this type of algebraic expression can't be said as polynomial, because of they have not exponent of positive integer. Apart from these examples, if we talk simply about 5, simply 5 can be said as as polynomial, because 5 can be written as 5 into 1, and finally it can be written as this. And hence we can say that this is also a polynomial. If we talk about 3 is also a polynomial, but 3 by x is not polynomial. 3 by x plus 2x is not a polynomial. While if we separate, this is not polynomial and this will be a polynomial. I hope you must have understood polynomial and algebraic expressions. Again, I want to say that this can be said as algebraic expression, but not polynomial. That means all the polynomial is also an algebraic expression, but all the algebraic expression can't be said as polynomial because it has to follow some special criteria to be a polynomial. Due to so long introduction, I have decided to introduce step by step, and finally I have solved the exercise of NCERT book for class 9th and 10th both. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.